Honourable Member for Calgary-Nose Hill, followed by the Honourable Member for Edmonton Centre.
Mr. Speaker, all of my questions are for the Minister of Tourism, Parks and Recreation. In August 2006, it was announced that a beautiful area on the Bow River west of Calgary would be purchased and developed as a provincial park. And it was anticipated that public access would be allowed into the area within a year or so. The people of southern Alberta are still waiting patiently to use this park. Mr. Minister, spring is just around the corner. When are Albertans going to be able to access this new park?
The Honourable Minister.
Well, Mr. Speaker, I'm not at all surprised that the Honourable Member is excited about this park, the Glenbow Ranch Provincial Park. I've been hearing about it for the last 2 years. Number one question I get asked is when? When will this beautiful park open? I'm happy to say that we're planning on opening it this summer, Honourable Member. And we just need to make sure that it's safe, that it's accessible, but that we also are protecting the important eco-center, the eco-environment there, and that we don't love this park to death. So we've been working really hard over the last 2 years, but sometimes...
The Honourable Member, please.
Will the Minister assure Albertans that, unlike the natural disaster of Fish Creek Provincial Park, there's going to be a proactive plan to preserve the grasslands in the new Glenmore Provincial Park?
The Honourable Minister.
Well, Mr. Speaker, for the 3 million visitors a year who go down into Fish Creek, I don't think they think it's a natural disaster. I think they think it's a beautiful park. But, Mr. Speaker, since 1975, that park actually had been farmed, and so it just had a few areas where fescue was left. This park, on the other hand, has some 3,000 acres of this very beautiful fescue grass. And so we've been working with the Foothills Fescue Research Institute and the Park Foundation to ensure that it's preserved. And you'll see cattle grazing in this park.
The Honourable Member.
Given the expanding environmental footprint on southern Alberta's natural areas, can the Minister advise the House what plans she has for expansion of areas in our grasslands region?
The Honourable Minister.
Well, Mr. Speaker, I think of the OH Ranch, which is a working ranch that we brought into the park system since I've been Parks Minister. But as far as future opportunities, Mr. Speaker, that's part of the land use framework, and we are looking at new recreation opportunities and park opportunities, and so we'll have to follow along with that process before we know where those new opportunities would be. But I would go back to the OH Ranch as a really great example also of a beautiful preservation of grasslands.